Happy Tuesday, everybody. Okay, so normally I like Extreme Networks switches, but on this occasion we have got, well, this was a heck of a challenge. Okay, so the customer needed a VSP7400-48Y, okay, and those are like absolute gold dust. Let me explain to you the problem. The customer wanted blue fans and power supplies. Blue means blow, airflow in, like it's on this little label here. But the only ones out there in the marketplace had the red suck fan and power supply set. So we were left with a bit of a problem. Okay, so what we did is we're just respraying the lid for that. That looks absolutely beautiful. Well done, Wayne. What we had to do to solve the problem, to source the fans and powers. Okay, is this it here, Al? We had to buy, let's have a look at this. So we had to buy SLX 9150 48Y switch for its fans and powers, and as you can see, so this is what they came in with, and the customer didn't want the red, they wanted the blue fans and powers, so we had to buy this that had the same, shared the same family of powers and fan modules. Oh my goodness me. And to add insult to injury, Extreme Networks don't sell many of those switches. There aren't that many available on the marketplace, so we had to go all around the world to get the fans and powers so that we could populate this. Yeah, so, but anyway, we got there in the end. That was a really difficult order to fill, but anyway, so when that lid goes back on there, that will go into a box, and we will ship that out to the customer today. And yeah, I don't think I want to take too many orders that are that difficult, but unfortunately that's the game we are in. And anyway, must go. If you need Extreme Networks switches, please ask us for some really easy to get ones. No, I'm only kidding. We like a challenge. Anyway, got to go. See you. Bye.